Question 1. Tank A was filled with water to the brim. Tank A was measured 30 cm long, 40 cm wide, and 50 cm high. And tank B was measured 20 cm long, 60 cm wide, and 70 cm high. Water was transferred from tank A to tank B. So find the height of the water level in tank B. So we know that the tank A was filled with water to the brim. So that means that the amount of water transferred from tank A to tank B is equals to the volume of tank A. So let's find the volume of water in tank A. So volume of water in tank A, we are given the breadth, the length, and the height. So volume is breadth times length times height. So we have 30 cm times 40 cm times 50 cm. And this gives us 60,000 cm cubed. So in order to find the height of water level in tank B, we will need to take this volume of water in tank A divided by the base area of tank B. So let's find base area of tank B. And this would be the length times breadth. So we have 20 cm times 60 cm. And 20 cm times 60 cm gives us 1,200 cm squared. So now we can calculate the height of water in tank B. So height of water level in tank B would be volume of water divided by the base area. So we have 60,000 cm cubed divided by 12,000 cm squared, and this gives us an answer of 50 cm. So that is your final answer for question 1.